So Daddy stopped at Sarah and Dan's last night, and Sarah gave this bag to Daddy. Should we see what's inside of it, buddy? I think there's something in here for Teo and something in here for Sister.
I'm getting big and something.
Well, let's see what's in here. Let's see. This one I think is for. This is for Sister. Can you give that to Mommy?
And for sister.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what Sister's got.
And for sister Teo.
Oh.
What does Sister got?
Look at that.
What is that, Teo?
Purple bunny.
Purple bunny, just like
Purple bunny.
even just like bunny with
Purple bunny. She's half asleep.
I see that. All right. Well, so I think there's something in here for Teo. Oh. What is?
Oh yeah, there's flower bunny.
Oh, Teo found another bunny.
Are they buddies? They're buddies, huh? They're buddies.
Matching buddies. Hey, Teo, why don't you come here, bud?
They're Eleanor's buddies.
Come here, bud. What do you think is in the bag?
And then just for
Okay, you ready? What's that?
This monster truck.
Teo's monster truck.
I know what it is.
You know what it is.
And it was right here in the bag.
It was right there in the bag. What do you say to Sarah for sending it back with Daddy?
It was here. It was here.
Just like that, it's back to making rotations around the couch.
It's good.
Right, buddy? That's its job, is to drive in circles around the couch.
And it's chocolate.
Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, Oscar.
Bye-bye, Oma. Bye-bye, Opa.
Bye-bye, Opa. Bye-bye, and circles.
Okay, can you say thank you, Sarah?
Thank you, Sarah.
All right, bye-bye, everybody.
Wait, come down.
I just got home and found this pile of parts. So it wasn't even 8 hours. Did you have fun with the truck, buddy? Did you have fun with the truck?
And the truck fell apart.
It fell apart.
It fell apart.
Well, what are we gonna do?
Today get fix it.
Teo and Daddy gotta fix it?
Today get fix the green one.
Oh.
Today get fix it.
How did it get broken?
It can broken and the piece came out.
Yeah, were you a little too aggressive with it? Were you a little too aggressive with it, Teo?
And goes up.
Yeah.
And goes this piece up.
Yeah, I see that. We'll see what we can do. You can support the creation of these videos by supporting me on Patreon.